My name's Angharad Davies. I'm a consultant microbiologist at Swansea University Medical School and Health and Care Research Wales Infection Specialty Lead. I'm part of a UK panel looking at research projects aimed at finding better ways of diagnosing and treating COVID-19. We can only get the answers by running big enough national studies to find out the best treatments as quickly as possible. Here in Swansea and across Wales, research teams are working hard to give as many people as possible a chance to take part in these studies. This is vitally important work because by doing this we can find out what works best and we can make a difference to the treatment of COVID patients in future. I really want to thank all the research teams, but most especially the patients who are making this happen. Without you, there could be no research and no answers to these questions. Thank you so much.